everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to look into another Leetcode problem, medium that is a medium level problem. It's group anagrams. So this is also among the top 150 coding interview problems on the Leetcode. So we are going to look into the ways to solve it using Swift language today. So let's see what the question is. So it says that you are given an array of strings and you have to group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. So what does an anagram means? It means that if when the two strings are called as anagrams when they have exactly same number of letters, and also when you rearrange them, they are exactly same. So as you can see here, the strings, we have an array of strings: eat, tea, tan, ate, nat, bat, and the output is bat. So uh, bat doesn't match, the letters in the bat doesn't match any of the other letters or other strings in the input string. So that's why it's a separate array we have considered. And then there is another array that groups like belongs together, that is nat, tan. So when you interchange the alphabets or letters in these two strings, they're exactly the same. Same as ate, eat, tea. So interchanging these letters, you get the same output. So that's why we have three groups here. And that's what we need to achieve from this problem. And let's see what are the ways to solve it. So the first thing that comes in the mind is basically the brute force method. And the brute force method, um, it can actually work, but the problem is we use the nested loop for it, and it can be pretty lengthy to match, like to arrange the letters and match to each of the alphabets in it. So the best solution when you go with the anagrams is we can use the sorting technique along with the dictionary. So dictionary is pretty fast, and the time complexity for it is like O of n. So it is pretty fast, but as we are using sorting as well, it already has time complexity of n log n. But that is way better than using the nested loops, that is O of n square. So let's see how we can work with dictionary and sorting technique. So let's get started with our coding. So first we'll check for an early exit in the code. So we'll see if strings dot count is greater than 0, then only proceed, else we'll return it from here. Return an empty array from here. It's always better to check if our input, whatever input we are getting is actually present or it's empty. It tests the other test cases too. So next we'll need a dictionary. Let's say where dictionary, and it will be of type, it will have key as string and array of key as values. And what we'll do, we'll need a for loop to go through every string in the strings array. For string in strings, what we'll do, we'll get a sorted one, sorted string. We'll sort this string. So in this case, we have first as EAT. We'll sort it to EET. Okay, so EAT, sorted string, will name it as sorted string, equals to str dot sorted. So this guy returns as an array, so we have to convert it into string. Here we have our sorted string now. So next we have to put the check whether we have this sorted string, that is AET, sorted string, already in a dictionary or not. If yes, then we'll take that dictionary, we'll take the values from the dictionary and we'll append our string to that dictionary, to those values. Otherwise, we'll add a new value to the dictionary. So let's see if dictionary of sorted string equals to nil. Then we'll add key, as we'll use a sorted string as a key, and we'll add our string as one value here. Else, else if it is already present in this case, what we'll do is we'll take a variable previous combo, we would say this, and the previous combo will be whatever the value is present in the dictionary, that is the string array. So we'll get as a dictionary sorted string, and we'll have to unwrap this, and we will append previous dot previous combo dot append our mm, we'll append our string to the previous combo, and again we'll assign the sorted string key this previous combo previous combo this value. And so once we are out of this for loop, we'll have to return an array of dictionary of all values, and let's see if this works. Oops, I think it's values. Yep, it worked. And let's see when we submit it, how is it performing. Yep, it's pretty good. 72 milliseconds. Sometimes the performance shows good. It all depends. Okay, so what is happening here? I'll explain it again. So in this case, the first string we got is EAT, this EAT, and we sorted it here, and then in the first iteration, the dictionary was empty, so it went in this loop, and then it we added AET as a key, and AET as a key, and our string as a EET. Okay, so this was the first iteration, and for the next iteration we had T, and T was sorted to again AET. So this time we had dictionary that already had a value of AET, and a key of AET, and the value was an array of EAT. So what we did, this next loop was executed, and we took the previous combo. The previous combo was EAT, and we appended our new string to EAT, comma TEA. So this is how we the new key's value was EET to EAT, comma TEE. So this is how it works, and this will keep on appending, like for ATE. ATE will also belong to this same group, and the next iteration would be TAN, then NAT will group together, then BAT is the only one that will be out. So that's how this works. I hope you guys got it. I have tried to explain it very in a simple ways, but still, if it's a bit confusing, do comment down in the comment section. I'll try to improve myself. Okay, so this is the one way to solve it. So we also have um, something called dictionary by group, grouping by. So that makes it easy. That was only like 2 to 3 lines of code. So whenever you're giving an interview, you should always show this code first, and then you can also talk about how the grouping uh, the library works, and you can show your skills over there as well. But the interviewer should know that you understand the concept of how the sorting and dictionary using works here. Okay, so let me show you that example as well. Uh, I'll comment out this part here. Mm, let's see. Okay, it's a one-liner. Okay, let's see. Let dictionary let dict equals to dictionary grouping, and this grouping takes our strings, comma by takes string of dollar zero dot sorted. This is a one-liner. So how grouping works is when you pass an array of something to this grouping and pass the logic, whatever you need as a closure to the by, that logic is performed on that array, and it returns and it groups together the similar items and returns in the form of dictionary. So in our case, we have passed an array of strings here. So this is the array of strings that we are passing, and we have a logic to convert, to sort whatever item is there. Like this will be sorted, EAT, and that will be used, whatever we pass in the by, that will be used as a key, and it will group all the items in this array uh, that has the same values that after sorting it groups together, and then it's gives us a dictionary. So it basically does this whole thing in just one line. So I think this is a very optimized solution, but whenever you're interviewing, the interviewer should know that you know how it works under the hood. And this I think this is a pretty straightforward solution, and better to know how Swift is advanced in all these stuffs. Okay, let's see if it works. Let's try to run this. And here it is. Yes, this solution works too. So I think this is pretty easy one, although it's a medium, but this is how you can get the anagram solved, and using the same logics to other anagram problems as well. Um, I think that's it for this video. Hope you guys will like it. I'll keep on posting new videos as I go on solving them. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and please give any suggestions if you have in the comment section, or let me know if there is any solution we can do it much better than this one. So thank you for watching.